Alexandra, and today I'm going to read Barnyard Dance by Sandra Boynton. Barnyard Dance by Sandra Boynton. Workman Publishing, New York. Stomp your feet, clap your hands, everybody ready for a barnyard dance. Bow to the horse, bow to the cow, twirl with the pig if you know how. Bounce with the bunny, strut with the ducks, swim with the chickens now, quack, quack, quack. With a baa and a moo and a cock-a-doodle-doo. Everybody promenade 2 by 2. Prance with the horses, skitter with the mice. Swing with your partner once or twice. Stand with the donkey, slide with the sheep. Scramble with the little chicks, cheep, cheep, cheep. With the neigh and the moo and the cock-a-doodle-doo. Another little promenade 2 by 2. Trot with a turkey, leap with a frog. Take another spin with a barnyard dog. Turn with the cow in a patch of clover. All take a bow and the dance is over. With a oink and a moo and a quack, quack, quack. The dance is done, but we'll be back. Thank you.